Join us on an easy hike through Gatineau Park Sugarbush Trail.
Hi everyone, it's Frank and Fern from Java Walker World. We're back and we just finished our little 2-weeker in Toronto. So hopefully check out those videos to see all the stuff that we got to see, all the great places we got to eat at and visit and saunter through. But we're back home now in Ottawa, which is actually, it's always nice to be back home. It was nice coming into your own bed. But anyway, we're off again this morning and we're going to stop and have a coffee. We're going to go to a Drip House, which is a very nice place to have a coffee.
Our favorite place, I think.
And we're gonna head over to Quebec. We're gonna go do Gatineau Park. We've heard a lot about this, read up a bit, quite a bit on it. Nice trails, waterfalls. So we're gonna drive over there and see what it has to offer. So come along with us and explore. So
walk with us.
Walk with us. Please don't forget to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Any suggestions or any comments, please provide them with us, and we're gonna go from there. So come along.
So, Frank, what's your sandwich like?
Actually, it's very good. It's on a brioche toasted bun. The egg is really fluffy with some melted cheese and some onions in there.
Let's see.
I've already taken a bite, but
Wow.
it is so soft,
And
so
it
fluffy.
looks huge.
It's flavorful, very tasty.
It's gonna take care of your lunch and breakfast
Oh,
all
yeah.
in one.
Oh yeah, definitely. Oh, definitely a must have. Very good. Come down and have one. So here we are at Gatineau Park, and we've just viewed the map and ran into a nice gentleman who told us to take this trail. This is a good trail to start with. It's the most popular trail on the park. It's called
Easy Walking.
It's about 2.5K. the Sugarbush Walk, the
Trail.
Sugarbush Trail. On the way in, someone told us it was a 2.5K walk, and we just checked our step count, and it was just a little over 4,000 steps. So that's not too bad. So you're getting your exercises, you're getting nature, getting a lot of nice stuff to see. There was the stream, the brook, a shelter rock, they called it, that was there.
Like a cave.
Like a cave. It's a well-maintained pathway with the trees been felled up way high, so all the vegetation's at the top, and all you see the tall trunks.
It's a managed forest. It's gorgeous.
It is very nice. Oh.
I just hope that the filming I did captures some of that beauty, because it was absolutely beautiful. I would highly recommend taking this walk, and I would say it's fairly easy walk.
Oh, very easy. It's fairly level with very little hills and down. It's very doable at any age, at any.
And Gatineau Park is huge, so this is only one of many trails.
Yeah.
So we're gonna see what the
visitor center has. When we came in, they were having a meeting, so it was closed. So we're gonna walk into the visitor center and see all the other stuff they have to offer, so that we can eventually come back and do other parts of the park. They have a waterfall, a walk. They have a number of other pathways in here, which just look like amazing. So we're going to do the visitor center, and from what I see here, there's a little town just attached to it, which is within walking distance, which is called Little Chelsea. From afar, it looked really cute. We're going to walk into there and see what that looks like and what that has to offer. So stay with us and keep watching.
I hope you're enjoying it.
Yeah.
We'll be back for sure.